Welcome to this course. I'm excited that you are interested in becoming a full-stack web developer. This course has been designed for both beginners or developers with a little experience, wanting a course which covers everything you need to build full-stack web applications. So who am I? My name is Chris, and I've been developing websites for over 15 years. I have also been sharing these skills I have learned in this time over the last 4 years, teaching tens of thousands of students with my coding courses. This is my biggest course to date, and we're going to be covering so much. Starting with the basics to get you up to speed with HTML and CSS, which are essential foundational concepts to learn. You will also be building your first project while learning all of this, which is a simple e-commerce store. Next up, we move on to responsive web design, which is really important with so many different size devices available today. In this section, we make sure you understand not just the theory, but also apply this to our project to see the impact which it has. Building on top of our responsive design and CSS knowledge, we then step things up by covering both the CSS Flexbox and also the CSS Grid too. Both of these are modern and powerful methods to lay out our websites in almost any way we can imagine. Once we understand how all of these work, we then look at the popular Bootstrap 4 framework to allow us to build great looking websites really fast. Also, there is multiple sections dedicated to learning JavaScript to get a really good understanding of not only what it can do inside the browser, but to also prepare us for using Node and using JavaScript on the server side too. We also build multiple projects, including a song finder application, where we learn about fetching data and working with APIs. At this stage of the course, we make the move from the front end to then working with the back end too. We build a complete travel booking system, which is a comprehensive and challenging project to put everything you've learned into practice. Working with Node and the Express framework, we build this from the ground up, learning everything you need to know, such as front-end routing and also templating. This project uses MongoDB as our database to store our data, such as the hotels, the user information, and also any orders which have been placed. We don't just stop there though, you will also learn about adding user accounts, logging in, authentication, structuring our data, and so much more. Once we are finished, finally we also learn about how to prepare and also how to push our project to a live web server for the rest of the world to see. This course is heavily project based, meaning you won't just be learning dry theory on its own, but also be applying things you learn into real life projects along the way. This really is the only course you will need to get into the world of web development. So sign up now, and I will see you inside of the course.